The issue of the date and
on the issue of date motion.
There was a motion.
There was a motion now. MP for Asin South.
Okay.
Honorable Lawyer Tim Fojo.
Yeah, Honorable Reverend Fojo.
Yeah. And it was a candidate. Next year discuss one. To can't the channel. The Busa say na beto proposed data or more AC. TN decide. And now the donor during course back and forth January 31st. And then a majority need to say ye delegate presidential primaries now. So if we are as general secretary of the party,
yes.
When I the chief spokesperson of the party,
yes.
And the first say almost say be me signature na say me nsa kratas no and just Justin Kodua na akotena ase and we decide say anomo say na say party ntu me ni sa to me no me ni ho kwan say metimi aye eduru ha me kire madwen say and na say ekọ eti eduru ha a council decision, and at that point and the majority decision it becomes national council decision say ni aye. Say be omo me national council members. Obi say them na me appoint omo. And them na me elect omo. Party for the tuaba and the yin call for be former president, be former vice president, be former regional chairman, be former general secretary, be past general secretary, be national chairman now. It's happening for nya negotiate. They take a decision. And as it stands now there
31st
January 2026. Ultimate Infant 296. 2000, 2004, 2008, 12. Every say, and then, social media, the way social media, I tell to say, at the same what, ya marry same. And then, no shirts, no mail cost will be Twitter, will be Facebook, Instagram, and was, and then confront 18 more, extra more. Now, ABI 92 and ABI GTV pen or that's it. And 2008 and now social media and in power even 2016 they be in the then I send be about part to one the emotions ne a quam for forecast any acrimony in rank a cosono a half party nema a division by party. Yes. Now share no more cost comments a cost the attempt cost of campaigning no more cost in Nana. People are not talking too much about national elections. People be encouraged regional elections was people be encouraged constituency elections. The do na presidential primaries now. Ebeba so. And decide there. See it's me turning tema one side de do na e koso nyina no. Esu betwa. Because then no who leader ona so presidential candidate or party no. Etosu bi baby a party na do say no. And now hwe no ma empo aban otisu ye a ese nya flag bearer nya penny bi a say bi ompoman penny kra ka asem bi na nya obetimi respond as opposition e be a leader also wo ho na afre so yetima boa netimi a united party no near prepare for the 2028 elections. Obi Osha about to a course so 2024 any in kuku idea say behind people ni bia and so drastic say you need to also take drastic decisions for people to know say ampa also nya bre say e bia no ma si ye no also so aboa ho say osisa no mem ntine nya ya argument a committee no e kan say presidential primaries o menya yenya nentem then omo we do say as to ada ye beto presidential primaries no date venue ni sa de ne de omo committee ndo omo ni hutumi.
Okay, then you mu jaima
omo ntimi enka wanse na emum omo ebetwe nya adwene akosi article 13(1)(1)
of the MPP
constitution.
Okay.
Now obi me poto sa article mi yam da betwem. Or say the election of the party's presidential candidates shall be held not later than 24 months from the date of the national elections. The date and venue for the election shall be decided by the National Council, provided, however, that the National Council may, on appropriate occasion, vary the date.
Okay.
So they buy a customer or say a bria de beto abayi a presidential candidate, and you can say a call beyond 24 months to the general elections. A bria betuno, a day betuno, a National Council, and they be decided. National Council now say we 2 mean say obet mass decide date no.
Yes.
Nti empo yesi anto before 24 months. But National Council bet mark say 24 months no kwa intimi find yagima. Nti ekoto 18 months or 15 months
and 1 month
or 1 month to the elections no.
Controversy no and say yes, granted party mpenyi format na say mu nyina amakwa no benkom say mo pe early congress. And every party member across the country, across the world is bound by its decision, no. But because say a elective primary koto aba and a presidential candidate, it was a party for ne to aba no. More electoral college. Electoral college when e koto saba way on 31st January 2026. Why mo ne beto saba no?
By 31st January 2026. Electoral college wo na beto aba no.
Electoral college wo ho
as at 31st January 2026. Homo na beto aba. What I say?
That's loaded.
You're
breaking it down.
January 31st Jua. What is our electoral college?
Okay.
Electoral college or more to about one a harm. Omo de be decide.
Omo a party for na Agyapong say we
na
electoral college no.
And beto. Mind you, date about say July 19th.
Mo ko conference.
Yeah, ko conference. E kwa kwashia. Proposal do na ya amendment of our constitution. Me yentimi en decide ma delegate conference. Yes. But I can assure you say there will be an expansion.
Okay.
So, Eden ya you could see back and forth behind ya. But could cry 2 or 3 o'clock at least. Uti the party for do na ka expansion baby. And it be yanko to about January 13th no. Sa expansion na electoral conference be jatum no. Say ya jatum say nipa we mu na esom koto aba no. And no nebe for me the electoral college for the presidential primaries.
It is sitting outside listening to you reading my constitution any bibiano, and correct me if I'm wrong. Current polling station executives 5 from each polling station no omo 10 one is on December 2025 no correct. Current polling station executives their tenure will come to an end in December 2025. True?
It depending time almost start polling station elections no.
Okay.
But share on record them wa eko January
polling station
e be January e be February and say ni nya no that time ni nya na yade a ese party ni hwe what you say and sa 4 year 10 one no ese nya uniform period say kasa okay e bia sa time we na cut off point no e wo because you nim say o start polling station elections at date ba bebu okra behwe issues betimi asi
na de no monto
it be the be nya that time nya sa 4 years ni nya yade a party nation but there's always a cut off point. Say be at this point no whether account 2 months or whether account 1 month or account 3 months or officially that time we na delegate national conference no Agyapong
say was say
so be a 10
me busa sa question no because say if it's true say by December 2025 na current polling station executives omo 10 one no abawie ya then my understanding is that to present 2 options. One, and said there should be fresh polling station level elections, and now say some constitution ma conference power, then conference can decide to extend omo 10 one. Do you agree?
Oh yes,
that's our 2 options.
Oh yes, oh yes. Any idea obiasunim. And this it will not be the first time 10 or be 10 or so party no conference I stand on 10.
Okay, and any
new thing about decide 2 minutes na say your best and 10 one no say time aso ni na no it lies within the national delegate conference bit market take its decision or side normal way now.
The other thing so would be say conference decided say proposed amendment committee in the by a president chair national council say yen extend the polling station executive from 5 to 7. That's a 2 ba be kan ho. Yenya electoral area executives 5. Say conference just had any 2 more. Meaning, say it should have a reflection on the next primaries are ebekoso. In enono, how do you select nipa 2 no? And how do you select electoral area executives 5 no? Mo be end
so me can say that's me madwena metre.
Okay.
And to say drew up.
Okay.
The delegate conference no
will decide
any modality national council na be decide okay you could share no say na national delegate conference Agyapong extension because any say and these are the options to say na ye de nyina ya adwen den eko you decide one side no then that decision will be made.
Okay.
And to me janka say ebeko A na say ebeko B but it drew on na
but all those options now on the table
ya there on the table party na betimi ahwe about discipline. In fact, anyone now nipa be mienu omo petition about national council anim.
Okay.
Na enam say omo dibia omo party nimti. Omo asem ne ba national council na betima kan asem. What you say? One regional chairman, one deputy communication officer.
Okay.
Na eno party no national council kan asem pa. I say a chino drew baby Chema Buti Mabona Baswo say original say party no was say na national council of the next year so now when it is half for the casa say be ya kokon born and the last one na a chinabino bi before bia na
party let me take
a decision.
Chairman Abronya ne Ernest Owusu be
yes. Oh yes.
Okay.
Until no national council na say edu be ni bra be wom because on that issue because someone like Chairman Abronya did now it was the first time na samaba
petition be about him
about national council.
Okay.
But also been pardon na di ka baba kwa part no
ma pardon no
aka wasem to anybody no back and forth. But Chema Buti can say this you know national council can say what the atiasia but ye ko yanim no say obi betina say obe penifo more party I say bi mo na ese mo set example ma enkofo edi achi no betu sa na money there sotwin bi e ho bia no and the party no e de befa so na sa sotwe na bantie no ekotwe be bia
okay e de Chema Buti no e committee say on is hanipa me no be kasa
sa na
ano a final warning
bibia bo bia say be ya asundue ni sa de beba ti era Chema Makumenu nyina penifo kasa say o ba bia du no e say you try na NS de bia suspension o yin kofo na yin kofo kasa ti ni nyina penifo nyina ba mu no na say afede e say you soft stance kaka ti ye koyenim ye behwe awo anama obi abetu wo ho de bia ye kase sabi party kese MPP obi enya adwen tim ye bankro but obe do position na ogina ho a o chances any nsema obeka no it carries more weight than say bia obi ti social media only executive position bia e wo party nim sabi no ma hawa ebetima ha but your proper forum any structure yourself first one maka party asem nti enu so ya de a enra ye kan wasem
so what Europe and America was send this Ghana Ghana they send with money transfer no and American for a day amount send network ben no use betimi e dey ascend it so we send e dey egu mobile money wallet and as a bank account so e dey many pa kro no betimi e dey ascend it na ebusuani gi say say o first transaction no ubenya $20 free the answer be use your promo code JSXM2 and the screen so offer o first transaction ubenya $20 free. Meeting the Atre Bruni. Yalan Media Ghana.